So in the previous class we have studied about the different types of carbon compounds like saturated carbon compounds and unsaturated carbon compounds, which are named as alkane, alkene, alkyne. So all these carbon atoms are linked together to form chains of varying lengths. So these chains can be branched also, and in addition to hydrogen atom or other atoms on these carbon chains can be replaced by any of the functional group, like it is given. You can see these are the functional group. So like chlorine, bromine, haloalkane, this is the chlorine, bromine or fluorine, iodine, these are going under haloalkane. So we can use Cl or Br as a substitute for hydrogen atom. Then next is our alcohol, whose functional group is OH, aldehyde functional group is CHO, ketone functional group CO, carboxylic acid COOH. So the functional group is attached to the carbon chain through the valency by replacing of hydrogen atom or atoms. So these functional groups, the hydrogen atom or other atoms on the carbon chains can be replaced by any of these functional groups. So we can see this, the representative functional groups such as alcohol decides the properties of the carbon compound regardless the length of the carbon chain. If alcohol is used as functional group, then it is considered as alcohol, or if the aldehyde or carboxylic acid is used as the functional group, it is regarded as carboxylic acid. It is regarded as acid, and the properties of the carbon compound depends on this acid regardless the length of the carbon chain. Like here we can see this, suppose we will take the example of few alcohols. So here you can see this is our CH4. So here CH4 is written as CH3OH, that means one hydrogen is replaced by alcohol group. Here everywhere all the alcohols, these are very similar. So the chemical properties are very similar of all these alcohols, and here the one hydrogen is replaced and the alcohol is used. So alcohol replaces the hydrogen. So such a series of compounds in which the small functional group substitutes for hydrogen in a carbon chain is called homologous series. The compounds in which the same functional group substitutes for hydrogen, that is known as the homologous series. Some other homologous series, if we will look like, then CH4, methane, ethane, propane, butane, already we had taken as example previously, so we can write them as, so here you can see methane, ethane, propane, butane, all these differ by a CH2 unit. So here you can see CH4, here one more CH2 is added, C2H6, here one more CH2 is added, C3H8. So similarly here C4H10. So these differ by a CH2 unit, and if we will find out the difference in molecular mass between the pairs, then also you can find out that CH4, you can find out the masses. Carbon atomic mass we know 12 and hydrogen is 1. So accordingly you can find out, you had already learned how to find out the molecular mass. For CH4 it is 16, for C2H6 it is 20, for C3H8 it is 44, and C4H10 it is 58. So similarly if we will try to establish a relationship and we will find out a general formula for alkane, then it can be written as CnH2n plus 2, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 continuing. So similarly, so suppose we will take one example. For n equal to 1, we will take here 1, then 2 into 1 plus 2. So you can see it is coming CH4. So similarly for n equal to 2, you can write C2 into 2 plus 2. So C2H6. Similarly for n equal to 3, you can find out C3H3 into 2 plus 2, that is C3H8. Similarly you can find out the next group in the homologous series like methane, ethane, propane, butane. Similarly you can find out. If we will take the homologous series for alkenes, the first member of the series is ethene. The first member is ethene, that is C2H4. The first member is ethene, after that it comes propene or butene, pentene. So succeeding member, that is also differ by CS2 group. So the means we will see what is the relation for the alkene group. If we will find out or if we will establish the relation for or the general formula for the alkene, then it will be CnS2n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3. So here we will start from 2. For alkene we will start from 2. So here you can put C2, 2 into 2, that is C2H4. Next member in the homologous series you can find out 2 into 3, that is C3H6. So this is the general formula for the alkene group. Similarly, for alkyne group, if you want to find out, then it is also having a general formula, that is CnH2n minus 2. Using this formula for alkyne we can find out CnH2n minus 2. So for alkane it is CnH2n plus 2, for alkene it is CnS2n, and for alkyne CnS2n minus 2. As the molecular masses increases in the homologous series, there is a gradation in physical properties because the melting and boiling point increases with the increasing molecular mass. Other physical properties such as solubility in a particular solvent also show a similar gradation, but the chemical properties which are determined solely by the functional group that remain similar in the homologous series. So this is all about the homologous series and the nomenclature and all carbon compounds using the functional group. How to name the carbon compounds nomenclature, that is not there for this year in your course. So till this much you learn the functional group names and all, and practice the bondings like how to make double bond or triple bond. So for this lesson only this much you have to practice well.